Adversity 2. My vehicle shut down on me and just stopped. This was unusual. Never happened before. So I thought, well, what's not working? If the fuse system clogged up or my injectors clogged up, I wasn't sure. Try to keep them both clear. But this was unusual. The truck was starting to shake. So I got on YouTube and I typed in some questions. And I found out that a dirty carburetor can cause these problems. So I disassembled my airflow system, my intake, and I got to my carburetor and unbolted it. About 4 little small bolts and a wire connector. I disassembled it and took it. I didn't take it off the vehicle, but so I took it apart and cleaned it with some carburetor cleaner. Reassembled it, but in the process of doing this, there was a hose that was leaking. It had dried out, and I happened to have a spare hose from something, I don't know what it was from, an air compressor or something. I was able to switch them out without buying anything, which was good. I cleaned my carburetor. I repaired that leak, whatever that was. The truck runs fine. Cleaning that carburetor made a big difference. No more shaking. It hasn't shut off. So that had to have been the problem. Adversity 2. Keeping that carburetor clean. You have to. While I was doing that, I also took some electrical spray designed for spraying your electrical connectors. So I began popping my electrical connectors all over the place and just spraying them down and letting them dry and reconnecting them. I want to make sure everything runs well. So I just did a small job on that and began to disconnect wherever I seen a connector that was connected. I disconnected it, sprayed it, wiped it off, let it dry. Making sure everything runs fine. Sometimes rust gets in there, sometimes things dry out, but this electrical spray works good. It's designed, it's called electrical part spray, and it works really good. Just doing a PMCS, preventive maintenance checks, to make sure everything runs well. And the third thing I did was making sure, every now and then I would hear rattling, and I would take my little zip ties and making sure all my wiring was tied in. Anything that was rattling, I made it to be still. No more rattling, whether it's on the bumpers or the lines, wherever if I could move it and hear rattling, I would tighten it down. So this PMCS, preventive maintenance checks, is a good deal.